And a really clever way of drawing faces from the side.
OK, drawing faces. Hard enough, eh? But drawing faces from the side? Well, what about all these bits going in and out? The forehead, the nose, the lips, the chin? Tough one. But not if you remember one simple tip. 10 zigzags. OK? 10 zigzags. Watch this. One face from the side using 10 zigzags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just add an eye. And look at that. You have a face shape from the side. I'll show you that again. You've got the forehead. You've got the nose. You've got the top lip. You've got the bottom lip. And you've got the chin. 10 zigzags. And then add a sort of capital A on its side there. Then, if you just smooth out all these facial features, you start to get a real good face. See that? And do the same with the eye. And you can always add in an eyebrow and a nostril. And then you're ready to add in the back of the head. So put that in like that. Just put it in lightly to start with. And the neck. Because you then add on the hair. And you put any style you want. There it goes. Don't forget the ear. Put it here. And back of the hair like that. And there you have a perfect face from the side using 10 zigzags. Good, isn't it? And easy to remember. And if you do the 10 zigzags in slightly different ways, you get different faces. Now, for a girl, just do the zigzags slightly less jagged, but still 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And just round them off. See the way I've done these? They're not quite as jagged, a bit more delicate. And then put in the neck, slightly thinner neck this time, the back of the head, and don't forget the eye, the A shape on its side, and the nostril. And then, again, you're the hair designer, so you put in whatever style hair you want. I'm just going to do this quickly like this to show you. And there she is. And if you do them slightly differently every time, you get different people with different features. These were all done just from 10 zigzags. Just do those 10 zigzags in different ways and have fun. Try it yourself. Draw faces from side on using 10 zigzags.